The car spins, and suddenly the world moves in slow motion. You see every detail: the glass, the light, the impossibly long second. Physics never changed. A second stayed a second, so what did? People who survive falls, crashes, and attacks all report the same thing. Studies suggest most accident survivors describe time stretching out. For centuries, we assumed the brain sped up in danger. Like a camera filming more frames per second, catching every instant. But one scientist wanted proof. So he dropped people off a tower to find out. To understand this, we have to talk about how you feel time. Your sense of time is a story the brain builds afterward. The brain estimates duration from how much it remembers. More memory means a longer feeling of time. A boring hour vanishes. A rich hour feels enormous in memory. A neuroscientist obsessed with one strange question about fear and time. He had crashed as a child, falling from a roof, and he swore that fall lasted forever. Was that a real change in perception, or a trick of memory? But how do you frighten someone safely enough to measure it? In Dallas, Texas, there is a tower called the Suspended Catch Air Device. You fall backward, no rope, 15 stories into a net. Volunteers fell for about 2.5 seconds at roughly 55 miles per hour. It was terrifying, exactly the kind of fear Eagleman needed. First, he asked each faller to estimate their own fall time. They guessed their fall lasted much longer than it did, on average 36% longer than reality. So the stretching was real, at least in memory. For that, Eagleman built a clever little device. He called it the perceptual chronometer. Strapped to the wrist, it flashed numbers just too fast to read. Normally, the digits blurred into nothing, unreadable. But if time truly slowed, fear should reveal the hidden numbers. So they fell, 15 stories, watches flashing on their wrists. During the fall, no one could read the numbers. Their reading accuracy was no better than sitting calmly. Their vision had not sped up at all. So the perception during the event was normal speed, only the memory of it stretched. The study was published in PLOS 1 in 2007. The slow motion was not happening live. It was a recording. The answer lives in a tiny almond deep in your brain. The amygdala, the fear center, kicks into overdrive during terror. It lays down memories with extreme detail. Normally, your brain discards most of what you see. But in danger, it records everything densely and vividly. More memory packed into a moment feels like more time. Density becomes duration when you look back. It is not slow motion. It is high-resolution memory. So time never slowed. Your brain simply remembered harder. The rich detail tricks you into rewriting the clock backward. You did not experience a longer moment. You built one. Time feels long when your brain has a lot to remember. This is why childhood summers felt endless and vast. Everything was new, so everything was recorded. And why routine adult years seem to blur and vanish. Sameness gives your brain little worth remembering. Novelty, travel, learning, all make time feel richer. Next time danger stretches a second into forever, remember this. Your brain was not slowing time. It was refusing to forget.